Let's recap the last few days of price action and explore the strategy for the next week. I think that the most important chart for today is this big point and figure structure where we have a distribution at the top pointing to this extreme oversold area, the 52 to 60,000 level, followed by a redistribution. The target of the redistribution has been hit, and look how we have reached the maximum potential generated by this count, 58,000. So it makes sense for the price action to stop here and try to rally. And yesterday we were trying to stalk in real time this price action, and look how on the 5-minute chart we have this very climatic move. Same thing for Ethereum. So for the first time after January 20, I have tried to establish a long position. And I'm not talking about a large long position, like 10% of the overall portfolio. No, I'm actually talking about pro positions, which are small size, just a mean reversion trade, where we look for some kind of rally from the extreme oversold condition. We can have the automatic rally and then have another retest of the low, or we can even have a double bottom. This is just a short-term trade. And I'm happy to see that this small trade so far has worked. So I was taking some point and figure targets today. Smart ATR, 5-minute chart. So we have this first structure pointing to 71,000, followed by a second structure which is pointing to the same target. So this is the first level where you are going to see some supply. As you get close to this level, you can just raise your stop loss. Remember that what we are seeing here is probably a giant automatic rally. So we could be in a much larger formation. So I don't want to be greedy. I think that this is already a nice trade. Raise the stop loss and see how this rally unfolds.